Bafetu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafetu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. Kiko Bar, Kipetwe Premiership, Richards Bay 2, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Mr. Massive.
So Steve, bro.
Inside. I give not man.
Steve, I think I just experienced something similar to what Cape Town City once did.
Yeah.
I thought Cape Town City League.
Yeah.
Was just there to disturb, to beat Chiefs and Pirates.
Yeah, fair. Yeah, fair.
Hence they are down there.
Yes. Yes.
So Steve, Eric Robomaki, sorry Maki.
Yeah.
Ligi ya chaba ligi.
Ligi ya chaba vele.
Ya chaba brawa. Steve.
Is it official?
No, we can't say it's official.
Yes.
But when you are competing a league with a team like Sundowns,
a points machine.
How did you mistake, bro?
Yeah.
No, it's an advantage to Sundowns.
Yes.
And that advantage, if it's gonna work for Sundowns, the game, it's gone.
1-1.
It's gone, bro.
Because Downs like a winner too.
Aren't a game to your Chiefs? You will Sundowns.
Yeah.
And then recheck the game remaining.
Sure.
The next game, Pirates and Alamazu.
Tough.
We can't predict what's gonna happen.
That's tough.
Understand?
That's tough as well.
So let's just see already Mara. Hence Barley League at the last day.
Yeah.
Who will decide it?
Yeah.
Let it be.
And the town should say
I can go to Majesty Jagarin Kemejega Sunday Brawaga. Now I was just here to witness whatever that was happening.
Sure.
Eva Felabare Mudiradibo Azana Lodimonga last minute. It would last minute.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, thank you, Massive.